Hello everyone. Today is February 11th, and as you can see, the date and time are displayed on the screen. We are trading live during the New York session, with execution beginning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I recommend watching this video from start to finish. In today's session, I'll walk you through a live A+ setup, where the strategy produced approximately $800 to $900 per account, executed using my TWR semi-auto bot. This is not a replay. You're seeing real accounts, real market conditions, and real execution, including EA and PA accounts, traded directly in the live market. The system operates through a semi-automated process, designed around pure price action. No unnecessary stress. Everything is managed with structure and precision. I'll also review our monthly performance using the TWR bot, covering October through February. The results reflect consistent growth and disciplined risk management, with multiple profit payouts already completed. You'll additionally see verified screenshots from group members who have successfully passed their funded accounts within the last 5 days. Our process is straightforward. Account evaluation passed within 5 days. Payout preparation within the following 5 to 6 days. All proof is shown clearly, including past account certificates and P&L results. If you'd like to stay updated with these daily live executions, make sure to follow, subscribe, and enable notifications. I go live each New York session at 9:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll also review our monthly performance using the TWR bot, covering October, November, December, January, and February. For those interested in joining my private premium trading group, or if you have any questions, you may contact me directly at 647-574-3374.